Yeah, man, it's your boy ShotGun, Suge, you know what I'm saying? 400 block, Doc Gang already. You know what I'm saying? I'm in here with the homies. Lil Bro 973 in here. I'm in. Feel me? Lil Bro 973 in here. My nigga J.
Know that.
AD. You already know. My nigga Sergeant Slaughter over there. Something on. My nigga Ty Greasy. Say what up to the world, Chop. You know what I'm saying? This is my movie right here, 400 block, man. All day gonna hear me screaming that shit all day.
We in here shooting a movie.
You already. You know what I'm saying? You know, the battle with Heartless coming up. You know what I'm saying? Little nigga from Cali. Or whatever the fuck the case may be. You know what I'm saying? URL, smack and all that. You know what I'm saying? Cakewalk. I'm about to run through him. And then I hear niggas talking about if I beat him, he gonna destroy me. Like, nigga, you know who you talking to?
Destroy who?
Fuck you talking about, nigga? I do this. I don't even prepare for y'all niggas. Like, you know what I'm saying? All I do is rap and smoke weed, man. This is what I do. Like, you feel me? I don't prepare for you niggas, man.
This shit ain't a game.
This shit ain't no game. I do this right here. Fuck around with these niggas, Heartless. But I'ma kill you. I like you though, but I'ma kill you though.
Nah, we don't like that nigga. Either roll or get rolled over, man.
Word up. I'ma kill you.
Point blank period.
I'ma destroy you. Just cause you think you gonna win, I'ma destroy you. You feel? Just cause you think you win, I'ma destroy you. You feel what I'm saying? Like, you can't beat me. Like, that's just point blank. But I mean, can't nobody beat me. Matter of fact. Fuck wrong with these niggas.
And that nigga that live upstairs from Cheddar Bob gonna get it too.
Yeah, that nigga that live upstairs from Cheddar Bob gonna get it too.
Young cow, fuck out of here.
Yeah.
Who you said he gonna bring up here?
He gonna bring Mr. Clean up here? Mr. Clean? He supposed to battle me when I was on Block City. He ain't want to come through. He talking about he had family issues or some bullshit like that. Come on, son. He's scared, son.
Niggas gotta pay niggas to come through.
You know what I'm saying? Talking all that shit on URL.
And y'all
in the chat talking like he gonna kill me.
Everybody
man, can't nobody kill me. I do this, son.
Y'all niggas ain't son.
Y'all Detroit niggas, man. Like,
kill y'all niggas ain't son. Kill yourself.
Right.
Kill yourself, niggas.
Hey yo, one
niggas is who that?
Straight one yourself. No talking. Like, this is what the homies do, man.
It's only rap, nigga. It's only rap, nigga.
It's only rap, nigga. Tell us. It's only rap, man. Nigga, get your shit together, man.
Yo, I bet you anybody
400 block, man. See,
hey, yo,
that's your boy.
Word to anybody might nigga Heartless in his mirror right now, like, yo, I'ma kill this nigga Suge. He ain't there practicing his raps. What am I doing? I'm rolling
I'ma put Suge in the ER like sugar.
Yeah, man. You don't even believe that coming out your lips. You don't even believe that.
Listening to this shit.
That ain't you.
That ain't true.
That ain't true.
That ain't true.
Tighten up, Shake.
Tighten up, Shake. Tighten up, Shake.
Tighten up. You know what I'm saying? Shouts out to my homie Tsunami. Come be here right now. You know what I'm saying? Did this on a last minute tip. You feel me? He about to battle a nigga DNA. No need to speak on that. Y'all niggas already know my man gonna hold it down. Straight like that, yo. You already know we in here. ShotGun Suge 400 block.
Yeah.
Scream at me.